Want to create a WhatsApp group and connect with your friends, family, classmates, or team members? In this video, I will show you exactly how to create a WhatsApp group in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Next, tap the plus icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen and choose New Group. Now, you will see your contact list. Choose the people you want to add to your group. You can select multiple contacts. Once you have selected the participants, tap the next button to continue. Don't worry, you can always add more members later. You can tap the camera icon to add a group photo. Now enter a name for your group. Choose a name that matches the purpose of the group. Next, let's look at the group permission option. Here, you can control what members are allowed to do in the group. The Edit Group Settings option lets you decide who can change the group name, description, and profile picture. The Send Messages option allows you to choose whether everyone can chat or only admin can send messages. The Add Members option controls who can invite new people to the group. Approve New Members lets admin review and approve people before they join through an invite link. These settings help keep your group organized and under control. Once you have entered every details, tap this green button in the bottom right corner of the screen to create the group. That's it. Your WhatsApp group has been created successfully and you can now start chatting with your group members. And that's how you can create a WhatsApp group. If this video helped you, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.